Happy Saturday, soup lovers. Well, today I'm preparing a pot of fish head soup. This is packed with lots of goodies and definitely a must try for the Easter holidays. So this is what we're working with. So if you want to see how I achieved this one, continue watching. And we're jumping straight into the video. For our starter, we're going to use some pumpkin, Irish potato, celery, and garlic cloves. We're going to add that to our pot. Cut our garlic, not really necessary, and then add some salt and allow this to come to a boil so that our pumpkin can start giving the soup some color as well. Here we're prepping the rest of ingredients. Here we have chocho. We're going to wash this, peel and cut in chunks along with our turnip. Now that we have prepped our carrots and okra, we're going to put those aside and work on our pumpkin. For the pumpkin, we're going to wash this, peel and cut in chunks and put aside as well until when it's time for using. Okay. Here we have some fish head. We're going to wash these with vinegar, season and put aside until when it's time for using. Of all the ingredients, here we have our pumpkin, carrot, chocho and turnip mix, our dumpling dough, we have corn, we have scallion and thyme and add pepper, our fish head already seasoned, we have a piece of yam that we're going to peel later on, we have our fish noodle, and we have our okras. So pretty much that's it. So now we're going to add the pumpkin carrot mix to this. So those can cook while we form our dumplings and add them to the pot. So here we're back after around 5 minutes after adding our dumpling. Now we add our fish head. We're stirring this well. Add our corn, okra pieces, and our noodle, scallion and thyme, and just cover our pot and allow this to simmer while everything combine together. But if you're watching here for the first time, welcome. Thanks for watching. Please just tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And to my day one supporters, thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. So let's continue making our delicious pot of soup. After adding the noodles, we allow our pot to simmer for a couple of minutes. Then we stir well again, taste and adjust if needed. For me, I need a little bit more salt, so I add a little bit of all-purpose season. So here is a finished dish, guys, ready to serve. I hope that this one was very helpful and that you enjoy watching it. This one is a must try for the Easter holidays. So I hope that you will try making this one. So now I'm going to serve me a bowl of soup so I can sit and enjoy. But before all that, please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, hype the video, and subscribe if you haven't. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now. Soup bad. Trust me.